I got asked, what are the basic requirements of creating a new Gmail account? So I'm going to show you the basic steps in this video. First of all, I'm using a Firefox web browser, so it's not connected to Google Chrome, and it's not connected to any of my other Gmail accounts. So it starts right here, gmail.com. So I go to gmail.com. You can see I have no Gmail accounts that are in my cache at all. It wants me to sign in, but I don't have a new account. Create account. Start right here. For personal use. I got to give it my name. I got to give it an email address. So I'm going to try Lee Burris Jr. See if it'll let me do that. Right there. Lee Burris Jr. at gmail.com. You can put anything you want in here. You use letters, numbers, and you can use the period. I could use Lee.Burris.Jr. It basically ignores the dots, by the way. But anything I want to put in there, and then when I hit tab, this username's already taken. I can't use it. So let's try TL Burris Jr. That name's already taken. Go figure. So I can try... look, it's giving me options. L. Burris Jr. Boom. L. Burris Jr. That's my email address. Now I got to have a password. Don't look while I put a new password in here. Boom. There's my new password. You can't see it, neither can I. And hit next. Now, Firefox wants me to do that, so I'm going to say no. Now, it needs a phone number to associate with this account. So I'm going to put a phone number. It needs a recovery email address. This is absolutely critical. Before I go anywhere further, I want to make sure you're absolutely clear about this importance. You've got to associate a phone number, and you've got to associate a recovery email address. They're listed as optional, but don't do it as an option. Because if you can't remember your password, you can't get back into your account, you need that recovery phone number and or that recovery email address to be able to get back into this account. And by the way, I'm using an email address that I will never lose, and I will never lose this phone number. If I lose my cell phone, I'm getting a new cell phone with that phone number. No ifs, ands, or buts about it ever. Now, you got to put your birthday because they want to make sure that you're a real human. I'm not showing you all this information. I'm going to put my gender in here because I'm okay with that. And then I'm going to hit next. Verify your phone number. Boom. I'm going to get a text message. Hang on a second while I verify this. Because again, you need that recovery phone number. 827-326. Verify. Let's see, get more phone numbers from your number. If you like, you can add your phone number to your account for use of all services. I'm going to make Google service. I'm going to skip that for right now. Privacy, read this so you're clear about this. Read it as much as you can so you're clear about it. And you can read more if you want to so that you're absolutely clear about it. And then you want to say, I want to say, don't save my YouTube. Send me occasional reminders of whether you are signed in. No, I don't need that. And I agree. Now, what it didn't do is verify the email address, which is kind of interesting. I expected to see that happen. That's it. The critical things are be clear about your email address. Be clear about your password. Use a unique password. You also want to be clear about the recovery phone number and validate the phone number. It did not validate the email address, which is a little concerning for me. I'm going to go back and validate that email address. Go back into my personal information. There's the email contact information. There's a verification needed. It did not verify that. That is very telling. TeddyBurris@gmail.com. That's right. Why it did not validate it when I set up the account, I am not sure. But now it's validating. Let me go look at the email. 370159. And now it is validated. That was very telling. I expected the recovery email address validation to occur during the account setup, not that I had to go back into my Google account, go to my personal information, and validate the recovery email address. But I'm glad I did, because that's important to do. Those are the basic steps. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.